Technology collaborative tools in a digital world. The learners of this generation are a new kind of breed, and it is important that teachers understand how to deal with them. They seem to thrive in a collaborative learning. They like to connect to the social networking sites. Creating and producing something are what they prefer to do rather than become consumers of information inside the classroom. They like to be mobile either physically or virtually as they traverse from point to point or site to site. Apparently, they seem to be investing a huge amount of their time in a digital social environment, although they can be more self-directed in choosing what they want to learn, how they want to learn, and when they want to learn. Technology as a collaborative tool, one way to engage students is to give them a challenge and a chance to work together. An example is when you give them an issue to discuss which they can continue talking about, even if they are outside of the class. Students may continue the discussion and share information or come up with an agreement by texting, emailing, chatting, or using the online document. Once they have agreed, they can move to the next step of presenting their agreements or resolutions to the whole class. Normally, in a regular classroom, teachers may have discouraged students from conversing with classmates during individual work, but sometimes there are positive things that can come out of it as students talk about the task assigned to them or as they work themselves on a complicated task. There are a lot of available tools and applications that can be used to work collaboratively with others. Some of these are Skype, Wikis, Blog, Google Form, web conferencing, real-time board, among others. Skype is a software application allowing you to do a video conferencing for free. All you need is to create an account and can be used for a video meeting. Second, Wiki is a software that allows you to create a page or selection of pages designed to allow you to post or write, edit, or upload a link quickly. This is good when students need to work together to complete a task even if they are not physically together. A task such as writing a paper together, planning a presentation, or surveying ideas from the team members can be managed by a wiki space that efficiently allows one to document the contribution of each member in a team. Work can be extended virtually and asynchronously. Blogging. It is journaling your ideas to which others can react, allowing a thread of discussion to take place and which can be used online. It is the abbreviation of web blog. It would help if you provide direction when using a web blog. Then the Google Group or Google Form, which is an application that can be used in a collaborative documentation of ideas contributed by members of the team. Having a Google account will come very handy and you can easily have access of application.